How to blur part of a video in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on new project and select any project over here. Then tap on add. As you do that, so I'm going to just crop a video over here. I'm going to split this video for a while because I don't want it to be very long. So let me just delete all of this. And then I want to just have a particular part of a video blurred. So what I'm going to select is I'm going to tap on the video and then select on the effects option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on video effects and then tap on the search bar and search for blur over here. So as you search for blur, select on the blur option over here. And then tap on cancel and get up. Now what you need to simply do is tap on this video again and select on duplicate option as you swipe up the options over here. So just tap on duplicate. So as you tap on duplicate, simply tap on the duplicated video and select the option of overlay again. So just take this overlaid video to the front. And when you do that, so you can just tap on add overlay. So let me just add the overlay video over here. And as you do that over here, simply tap on the overlaid video and then go and swipe it to the left and select on the option of mask over here. So as you tap on mask, select on the rectangle option and select the area that you want to blur. And this area, the area inside the box will not be blurred over here. So just let me do this and then tap on the check mark and then I'm going to start doing this one. So you have blurred other parts of the video over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.